Well, hello everyone. Dylan from Dill Days here with my first LEGO Dimensions add-on pack review. And this here is on the level pack of Back to the Future. So, one thing to note is, what I think is a nice idea is this thing to let hang on little racks at retail stores and such in the video game section, just like the rivals of Skylanders and whatnot. And also like the Bionicle sets and everything. So on the front of the box here you see the LEGO logo, Dimensions logo, and Marty McFly on the hoverboard, and level pack, and set number is 71201, and see recommended 7 through 14, and has 94 pieces. Says all new game level, and a Hill Valley time travel adventure, and screenshots from the movies, and Back to the Future logo, and showing of what's included, like Marty McFly, the hoverboard, and DeLorean time machine. On this side you see LEGO Dimensions logo again, and Marty McFly there. On this side you see some copyright stuff, and on top Back to the Future logo, and level pack in other languages, and on the bottom you see the scanner code, and that you're not supposed to wash these pieces and whatnot, so don't put these in water. It's copyright stuff again, and Universal logo, and yeah. On the back you see LEGO logo again, 3-in-1, but for both the DeLorean and the hoverboard, and level thing again in other languages, and characters from the starter pack, and 0 to 3 not for it, and yeah. And now into the instruction booklet, same as the front and everything. And then win on LEGO products on the online survey, and so you may think this has actual instructions, right? Right. So let's see how to do that, and then what it says is put it there and continue building with using the in-game building instructions. And all the rest is just ads for other packs that there are that you can get, and the pieces that come with the set, and yeah. So we got Marty McFly. I mean, just about the same as with the DeLorean set from the Ideas line a couple of years ago. See, with his jacket, which they thought was a life preserver, and has the plaid shirt underneath it, and light blue jeans and whatnot. And also reversible face. And as you can see, also says Marty McFly, and same colors and whatnot. That's not it, but hang on. And on to the DeLorean time machine. It was just about the same as the one a couple years ago, and but a little bit smaller, of course. And these little not click-on pieces, but acting as the vents and whatnot. And then a blue piece in the middle of it to act like the gigawatts going into its flux capacitor. And as you can move these up, and it has its gull-wing doors. And what I don't get is, for the base part, is why these 2x1 plate pieces for it, when without it it's probably just fine. And just like the Batmobile from the starter pack is, it can roll very nicely, and even up to 88 miles per hour. Yeah. And lastly is stuff for the hoverboard. Has these wings on it, probably for the alternate builds, and a clear piece in the middle, probably like a display piece or something. Is detaching off it, and it's a very nice mold for it, which I think is pretty much perfection. And it has some nice printing saying hoverboard and whatnot. But you can take these little pieces off if you want to, and got the actual hoverboard itself that you can put Mori on and also Ryam on it in the game. Get these. You can see there's actually one single stud to do that, so it goes sideways and whatnot. So to act like a stand and such. So, for a little thing to note is that if you are to have these without having the starter pack, you're not going to be able to build these. So it should have been simple to just include the instructions with them. So that would have been better, but probably wanted to do that to save it on the NSC chips for it. So I guess that probably makes it more easily done. And then, yeah. So my overall opinions about this is, I think this is a pretty good level pack. Like, you get a nice hoverboard piece, a cheap way to get the Marty McFly one, and also the DeLorean. Or DeLorean time machine and whatnot. And so if you're itching for, so if you have the starter pack and itching for a level pack like either Simpsons, Portal, or this one, then probably either Portal 2 or this one. Probably this one. Go get it. So if you'll enjoy the movies and the game, go get this. And that's about it with this review, and bye-bye.